Hi everyone. So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to sort or filter your data that you receive after your students have completed their Google form or quiz. So this is the spreadsheet that we created this morning based on the pretest that we took together from our Google form. So this is the spreadsheet with all the data that we've received thus far. So the question was, how do I only view period one responses? Because essentially you may have well over 100 responses to look at, and you want to separate them by class period 1, 2, 3, and 4. So initially we had discussed manually cutting and pasting into new tabs, and let's not do that. Instead, we're going to create a filter view. That way you'll be able to receive or view all the responses even in live time, so you don't have to continue to move responses to their corresponding tab, which is what I was initially suggesting. So essentially what we're doing is we're going to create a filter view. We've created the tabs down here already. If you want to create a new tab, remember you just click this little plus button here, and it's going to populate a new tab, and you can label it whatever you want, new tab. Okay. Now, you're going to go up here to data, filter views, create new filter. You'll notice it kind of blacked out the top row, and that's telling me that we're in filter mode. So with all this data, all I want to filter is the period. I just want to know, I just want to see the kids in one period. So you'll see this filter icon here, and they all have it if you want to filter by different ways, but here I just want to filter by period. So you click that, filter by values. I only want to see right now period 2. So I'm unclicking all the other periods. I only want to see period 2 and click OK. Now, these are all the responses from period 2. What you could do, this is the tricky part, is take this URL, copy, paste. Okay, you could also copy here and go to, say, this new tab here. We'll name this period 2. I already have a period 2, but that's okay. Period 2. Oh, all right. Period 2. New. Enter. So, again, this is the funny part. You'll create a hyperlink to that filter view. So you'll do equals, so this is a formula, hyperlink. It kind of populates because it senses what I'm trying to do here. Hyperlink, click that. Okay, quotation mark, paste that URL that we took, and quotation mark here. Done. Now, this link will take me directly to that view. So if I click on this link, it's going to take me to the period 2 view. Okay? Now, once I'm finished with the filter view, I don't want to see the filter view anymore. You just click this X over here. And I'm back to all of my responses here. But what happens if I get a new response? So, new response for period 2. There it populated. See how it populated here, period 2. Once I click on the tab, remember we set that filter here. I'm going to go to period 2 new. I click on that link that I made, and boom, there I am. So that new response auto populated into the period 2 filter. So essentially, I've already created all of those links for each period here. I can show you how to name them later. And say I went to period 1 and I clicked on my hyperlink. Here's all the responses for period 1. And again, it'll auto update every time a new submission is made. So to reiterate, it is data, filter view, create new filter, drop down, filter by whatever period you want, and click OK. Then when you have the view that you want, you copy and paste that URL, and again that code is, or formula, equals hyperlink, quotation, copy paste that URL, end quotation, and enter. And there it is. And it'll take us directly to that view. I hope this helps.